Hello all, we are going to view temperature configuration parameters. Contains controls related to target temperature and ambient temperature. The minimum and maximum target temperature values can be restricted with this parameter. When activated, minimum and maximum target temperature values can be selected. Every value that is below the determined minimum value will be considered as the minimum value, and any value that is above the specified maximum value will also be processed as the maximum value. Please refer to your product manual for the minimum and maximum target temperature values supported by your indoor unit. It is the parameter that determines the source of the ambient temperature value processed by the indoor unit. It is disabled by default. In this case, the indoor unit reads the ambient temperature through its internal sensor. When the parameter is selected as active, the specified group object becomes available. Ambient temperature data to be processed by the indoor unit can be written externally to this group object. Please review your product manual to determine if your indoor unit supports this feature. Remember to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Bye for now.